Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make your downloads faster on battle.net. So here when I open up my battle.net application, so the first thing that you need to do is click on battle.net logo on the top left and then click on settings, and here you need to go to downloads and scroll down, and you need to make sure that this box is unchecked because you don't want to limit download speed. Once you have done that, click on done. And after that you need to make another change, that is go to your search and then search for control panel and then click on network and internet, click on network and sharing center, and here you will either see a Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Click on it and then click on properties, and here you need to search for internet protocol, and here you need to again click on properties, and here enter use the following 8888, and here enter 8844, and then click on OK and then click on close. So hopefully these steps will make your problem solved and you will be able to get a good download speed on battle.net. I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next tutorial.